Get games, highlights, bonus coverage, league news, and coaches' analysis all in one place. TNT. Watch the NBA playoffs live all month long as Doug Collins and Hubie Brown give you the play-by-play. And with TNT and Paragon Cable, you've got the best courtside seats in the house, your house. So turn us on, and we'll turn you on.
Getting your golf game ready? That's easy. All you need are grips, gloves, balls, jumbo drivers, shoes, irons. Oh, and don't forget to work on that swing. Well, maybe it's not that easy. Unless you go to International Discount Golf Warehouse. They're new in town and different than any other golf store. You'll find the largest selection of golf equipment, more shoes, more bags, more golf clubs, at discount prices on leading brand names, plus the best help in town. Make golf easy at International Discount Golf Warehouse. Everything in golf at discount prices, north of Clackamas Town Center on 82nd.
The NHL is playing for keeps. Watch the Stanley Cup playoffs on ESPN with a hot, delicious Domino's pizza. And oh yeah, get a comfortable seat. The Stanley Cup playoffs continue in a living room near you on ESPN.
A 1993 Toyota 4x4. Nothing else comes close.
Shopping Office Depot, I believe I save about 30%.
60%.
20%, 35%.
Office Depot beats their competitors by 30%.
They've got everything from A to Z. Everything you could possibly need.
Office Depot has a great selection.
Great selection.
Nobody beats Office Depot.
Nobody in America sells more office supplies for less than Office Depot. Nobody.
Allergy eyes. Red, sticky, itchy. Allergies can make your eyes look bad and feel worse. Visine AC gives you maximum allergy relief and gets the red out. So look and feel your best with Visine AC.
You can feel it deep inside. Dedication and a real sense of pride. And you're giving it your best. Proud to be your bud. Budweiser. Proud to be your bud. Proud to be your bud. Ooh, yeah. Proud to be your. Proud to be your bud.
Up on the roof, when this whole world starts getting me down, and people are just too much for me to face, I climb way up to the top of the stairs, and all my cares just drift right into space. I get away from the hustling crowd and all that rat race noise down in the street. On the roof, the only place I know.
New Club World. Let all your cares drift right into space.
So let's go up on the roof.
British Airways, the world's favorite airline.
We're gonna have to bail.
What about the Bud Light?
No time. There's only one left. You take it.
I'll never forget you.
If you want great taste that won't fill you up and never let you down, make it a Bud Light.
Not so fast.
Where in the world can you find hot days, hotter nights, romance under the sun, romance under the moonlight, sports all day, sports all night, superstars enjoying the day, superstars filling up the night, and action day and night, day and night. Only in Las Vegas.
Always on the money, Las Vegas.
thirsty, you need a diet squirt. Because there's nothing like our refreshing blend of citrus flavors. Give your thirst a diet squirt.
Nature's song echoes through this land, where today looks like yesterday and feels like forever.
This is the Ford Probe. This is the Ford Probe lease. 500 down, $249 a month, 24 months. The Ford Probe lease. 500 down, $249 a month, 24 months.
Speedster Ricky Henderson sparks the Athletics against sweet swinging Wade Boggs and the Yankees tomorrow night.
Don't be chicken. Feast on all the ball on ESPN.
Baseball, baseball. Catch the fever now. Baseball, baseball. Let me show you how. Close call. Hardball. And making the connection. Eat dirt. Slide in. Don't change your direction. Smoke 'em, bake 'em. Dominate by shit intimidation. Throw heat. Play the window. Pastime of the nation. Baseball, baseball. Catch the fever now. Baseball, baseball. Let me show you how. Check it out. Catch the fever. Everybody catch the fever.
A message from Major League Baseball.
Hey, Dad, how about some money for the movies?
Sure, kid. The frosty mug taste of A&W root beer. It really brings back memories.
A quarter?
Get some popcorn, too. A&W, our frosty mug taste brings you back.
It's not just a high-performance tire. It's a Michelin. So it does things ordinary tires just can't do. The XGT series from Michelin.
Getting into shape, that's good. Getting into athlete's foot, that's not. Especially a really tough case.
The irritating itch, the painful cracking, the burning. That's when you want a medicine that acts tough. Tough-actin Tinactin. Tinactin cures even the tough cases of athlete's foot fungus. And Tinactin is clinically proven.
No wonder it's the antifungal most recommended by pharmacists.
Got a tough case of athlete's foot? Get the medicine that acts tough. Tough-actin Tinactin.
So I'm barbecuing for 30. I got the best steaks, I got the cheap charcoal, and I got burned.
Fire's out.
Don't get burned by cheap charcoal. Buy the best.
Kingsford, the surefire.